Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian cooking channel. Today I'll share with you a popular Maharashtrian dessert Aamras along with blackberry. For making this recipe I took 10 blackberry along with some pudina, pieces of a big size juicy mango with skin. I took 50 grams sugar and a glass of water. I'll use earthen pot water because it's not chilled or not normal water. In a mixing bowl, add the mango pieces. You can choose any type of mango, but it should be juicy. Then add the blackberry along with mint leaves. Now add the sugar. You can add sugar according to your taste. Firstly, pour little water. Here we need to grasp and grab well. When we mix with our hand, we can remove more pulp from the fruits. After grasping for 2 minutes, add the remaining water. Mix until the sugar dissolves and the skin of fruit should look like that. For making the Aamras more tasty, mix with a whisker for 2 minutes. Pour the pulp into a strainer, drain out the pulp. If required, you can add little water. It should not be so thick or thin. Our nutritious Aamras recipe is ready for serving. Serve this yummy dessert with puri or bread. For making smoothie recipe, I took a ripe banana cut into pieces. Add 10 to 15 soaked raisin. Add 2 tablespoons Aamras. Now add half a teaspoon olive oil and a teaspoon lemon juice. Add all the ingredient and lightly mix with a spoon. Keep this smoothie for half an hour into fridge and then serve. If you like this recipe, like, share. Thanks for watching.